So we're going to start one at a time and put them in the parts washer. Okay. We don't want that on there. Right.
Yes, you do.
Oh, look at the state of these. Not very nice. So we're just going to give these a little... a little spring from there. That one. That one. That one.
Ting ting. Ting ting.
So we're going to look at what's in horrors lay inside this bowl now. Shall we see? What colour do you reckon it's going to be?
Green.
Green. Green and horrible, do you reckon?
Mm-hmm. Green and a dead slug.
Green and a dead slug. Ah, look, yeah, that's where the green's been coming from. The nasty Hylamar. Ugh. Well, I've got some new seals on order. They should be here.
In a million years.
Probably, yeah. Right. So now we just got to whipple this bit out. So this pin just pulls out.
Pin, 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 pin. But what if it's really hard to pull out?
Sorry? What'd you say?
What if it's really hard to pull out?
Then we'll get it out some way. Then we got the float.
Why is it yellow?
Well,
Because the rest of it's a different colour.
It's just the plastics. Bit horrible. Bit old. There's that. There's my jet. There's that. Ooh. Now we'll get the top out, off, get the diaphragm out. So in here's a big rubbery bit, Lulu.
I coughed.
You did.
Because I'm a coffee pants.
You are a coffee pants. Do you like coffee?
No.
No? Oh.
I like tea.
Yeah,
I like my tea.
I like tea too. Tea two, two for tea and tea for two. Tried to go flying.
I don't think anything can fly except from a bird.
Right, so
And
that's
pterodactyl.
still on there, that's there. There's the spring from the diaphragm. Here is the diaphragm.
I like what Granddad wrote on here. It's funny.
It is.
Daddy's tools. Run away, you small boys. Beware falling objects. Dart!
Oh, there's that. That went in there. Something like that. We'll leave those two together.
Why did he do a duh separated the art? So that now it looks like X. No object, art.
Oh, yeah. I have no idea, sweetie. So, there's the body that we're just going to bung into the parts washer.
Blah.
So that's them done. I'm not going to bother taking all these out because I have an ultrasonic cleaner, which we're going ultrasonic cleaner. So we'll just get that out and we'll be back. Right then, so we got the ultrasonic parts cleaner. I've got some nice hot water from the kitchen ready to go in. So we'll fill that up. To there, that's good. Right, now we'll get a bit of the special cleaning stuff. Fairy liquid. Yeah. Give that a stir with something. Stir with that. Right, so we'll get that going. Heating up while I put all the bits of one carb at a time in. So heating on. That's good. Right, now we'll just bung all this. Oh, actually I could take that O-ring out, couldn't I? Let's just whip this O-ring out because it's old and oh, look at the state of it. Ugh. Broken. Right, so we've got our little basket here. We'll plug that in. Enough, just about, for one carburettor at a time. Now I'm going to do them as well. So it's going to be 30 minutes for each carb.
So it's going to be 2 hours.
So it'll be 2 hours. We won't make you watch all that. You get completely bored, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Right, so we'll bung these in. That's heating up nicely. Might have to just turn them over every now and again just to get that fully submerged.
With bubbles.
Actually, we'll stick a bit more water in so it's all covered. That's it. Stick the lid on and press go. Right, we'll see you in a bit. Oh, that's it. Get all that dirt and grime off it. All clean, been in the parts washer. As you can see, that has made one hell of a difference. Lovely now. So, we shall put them back together. I think we'll start with the top. And we'll get that in there, if it's the right way around. That in there. Pin in. Doobry what's it on top.
Doobry what's it?
The Doobry what's it on top of there.
Why is this one not working?
Well, no, because that doesn't go in that hole, big girl.
One, two, three, four.
Perfect.